The upcoming festive season is a wonderful time to renovate or expand your home. However, there is a difference between both these activities. Watch this video to know the difference between home renovation and home extension. Home renovation is when you wish to upgrade your home in terms of design, repair, painting, utilities, and so on. Home extension refers to the process of expanding your existing home by adding more floors vertically or expanding the home's boundaries by using the land around the house horizontally. In home renovation, the home is upgraded with no change in the total square footage or space, whereas home extension involves increasing the square footage or space. If you need funds to renovate your home, you may apply for a personal loan for home renovation. You can use the amount for a modern kitchen, repairs, redesign the interiors, and more. If you wish to expand your house, a home extension loan is an ideal choice. If you prefer an unsecured loan to fund your home extension plans, you can apply for a personal loan. Personal loans are unsecured, so the amount one can borrow will depend on their eligibility as well as the lender's policy. Use a personal loan eligibility calculator to get a rough estimate. Fullerton India provides personal loans for home improvement up to 25 lakh rupees to eligible borrowers at competitive interest rates and flexible repayment tenures between 12 to 60 months. Click the link in the description to apply. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.